The rights of indigenous peoples can be the saving of the rainforest. The Xinghu territory is one of the greenest districts in Brazil's threatened rainforest belt. Through the Rainforest Foundation, Norwegian development aid supports specific projects in partnership with the Indians and other forest-living people to save the rainforest in Amazonas. The monitoring and protection of forest areas, legal aid to local communities, and education are all initiatives that can give results, but they are not without their problems.
Porque essa ameaça que a gente está levando com desmatamento que está em torno do Xinghu. Então isso já vem muito tempo discutindo, né? Estamos querendo chegar, conversar com o proprietário da fazenda para ouvir, né? Conscientizar esse pessoal que está em torno do parque.
The people of Xinghu receive guidance in how best to discuss decisions that bear on the protection of the forest and on life in their community. An important element in the project is the gathering of seeds that can be used to plant trees to replace those that are felled. It's women who do this, and they certainly notice the effects of climate change. Seed gathering is also an important source of income for the people of Xinghu. Having a territory for indigenous people has proved an effective way of preserving the forest. The Rainforest Foundation has been actively working with the people of Xinghu for over 20 years and has contributed to preventing the deforestation of large areas of rainforest.
Hittil har man tjent penger på å hogge skogen, på å ødelegge skogen, og man har belønnet ødeleggerne. Man har aldri belønnet de som forsvarer skogen, sånn som indianerne i Brasil. For at vi skal bevare skogen nå de neste 10 årene fremover, så må vi gjøre den stående skog verdifull, og belønningen må nå fram til de som faktisk bor i skogen og forsvarer den.